With the extensive discourse around the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, or the NEET, it is important to understand the significance of the examination and how it impacts the students. So what exactly are the advantages of NEET? The examination has an advantage of being a single entrance test for admission to medical or dental courses across India. Other than saving time, it is also feasible since it eliminates the need to pay fees for different multiple examinations. It also requires less effort since students are not required to take those multiple examinations in different colleges for admission. The second advantage of the NEET exam is that by design, the test is meant to ensure fair and transparent exam. The exam reduces the possibility of corruption or malpractice. By virtue of being a national examination, NEET is meant to reduce the possibility of paper leaks that are prevalent in state-based or independent examinations. Moreover, NEET is supposed to eliminate the practice of donation, capitation fee for securing seats since admission to colleges is based on merit, that is the rank secured by the students in the examination results. NEET also aims to provide equal opportunity to aspirants across the country. It does not affect the reservation policy of individual states or the government at the centre. As per state quota, each state has an individual set of criteria applicable during the counselling procedure. What this means is that states can apply their own reservation system based on the merit list that the testing agency prepares. And in turn, the students can apply under either the state quota or the All India quota based on their preference or eligibility. This essentially sets a level playing field, giving aspirants even from rural areas an equal opportunity and footing as those from the urban locations. And finally, a massive advantage to the NEET is the fact that it is inclusive and is conducted in 13 languages, including English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. This is a big step toward eliminating language barriers and provides the students with an option to choose a language they are more comfortable with when they want to take the test. But despite all these advantages, NEET also poses challenges. It's a tougher examination to crack, and that is because now it is a highly competitive single entrance examination for which lakhs of students appear every year. Only limited seats are available offered by top colleges. The competition can get overwhelming to the aspirants. And the fact that it is conducted only once a year means the aspirants only have that one chance to crack the exam, and that only annually. Should an aspirant fail to clear this exam and wish to appear again for the NEET, they will have to wait one whole year till they can then take the exam again. For many students, this realization can feel extremely daunting. The fear of competition or failure can turn into stress, panic, anxiety. Along with the baggage of mental stress, the syllabus for NEET poses as a challenge for many students as it is based on the CBSE curriculum. Many state board students may find it difficult to prepare for the test due to lack of access to the CBSE literature or the difference in difficulty levels of the syllabi between CBSE and different state boards. Another challenge is the cost for the students that have to bear while preparing for the test. Because NEET is particularly a tougher exam to crack, it requires extensive preparation. Students have to bear the cost of coaching, study material, travel expenses, lodging in case of the residential coaching centers. The fees itself for the NEET exam is about 1,500 for a general category student and 800 rupees for a reserved category student. And lastly, even with the reservation in the NEET, there are various socio-economic factors that can affect an aspirant's chances to crack the exam. And the number one factor is possibly the lack of access to quality education. With massive competition, it's not just about the education that they receive, but additional coaching, guidance that helps a student make or break through this exam. Many students still lack adequate resources to have access to such resources, which makes NEET itself, in a way, inaccessible to many of them.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.